Hello Quillers, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this dragonfly. This is Agnes and welcome to Agnes Paper and Craft. So for today I'm going to choose light blue and dark blue 2 mm wide paper strips from Craftly. And using light blue color I'm going to roll a coil using my slaughter tool. Make it into a loose coil and then pinch it on one side to make a long teardrop shape. After joining the end, I am going to apply glue on one surface of the teardrop that we made. Spread the glue all along the surface and press the shape so that it stays firm and strong. I make more of these shapes. To be exact, I need 8 of them for this dragonfly. The shape can be a bit smaller or bigger with each one, but that's okay. When the glue is dry, I join 2 of the teardrops and wind them all around using the darker blue that we took earlier. I wind around it some 3 to 4 times. In the same way, I make 4 such wings for the dragonfly. Now let's move on to the body of the dragonfly. For the eyes, I take half strip of black 3 mm paper strips, roll it around and make tight coils. For the body, I take full strip of black and make oval shape. For the lower body, I am going to take another full strip of black, make a loose coil and make a long teardrop like shape. I also apply glue to this teardrop shape for the body so that it becomes strong and thicker. And when they are done, I am going to take the eye shapes, put it over a quilling mold and push it so that I get a small dome shape for the eyes. I also apply glue on the inside of the dome to fix the shape. I do this for both the eyes and then I am going to arrange them. We can glue them down and the dragonfly is ready to fly. If you like today's video, give a thumbs up and also tell your views in the comments below. If you want me to make any other design with quilling, do let me know in the comments.